All right, so what I want to bring you today is a motion sensor light, but a little different. So what we have here today, it runs on solar power. Now this one, it has 850 lumens and 6,000 kelvins. So we're looking at daylight, overcast lighting. All right, it can detect about 38 feet of distance on the motion sensor. Runs on rechargeable, right, with the solar panel. I'll show you this now. All right, so how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT. All right, so today we have this great idea of set up an outdoor lighting motion sensor where it runs on solar power. And this is made for outdoor, no matter if it rains or snow, that's perfect. Super simple to install. The only thing requires, right, find 4 screws there, 1 screw here just to hold it. Let me change the screens. All right, so we got it. So first, like always, give you a full instructions how to set it up, the whole thing. All right, just make sure you give a look, a quick pick this and read, and it show you, how to set it up. Now, the sensor, it goes up to 38 feet. Now, how high are you supposed to set up this? Well, the recommended should be about 8 feet or about 28 meters. So that's how much high you want to set up this light. All right, so that pretty powerful in LED lights here, and allow you to adjust here from side, so we can move this, left, right. And here we have the sensor. Now on the sensor we have 30 seconds, 60 and 120 seconds. I think recommend should be 30 seconds. And then we got the test mode. Now the test mode is during the day, so you can adjust the way you want this to work. Now here also we have low, high, and medium, the distance. Right, so depends, right? You want to set up this. You got to make sure it doesn't turn on. Let's say when a car starts by on the road. You got to make sure when somebody gets close to the house. So you need to adjust that and adjust how sensitive you want that. And the nice thing, you can do that during the day, right? The light will come on, and when that's perfect, then that's it. You just leave it in 30 seconds, and that's the only thing you have to do. Pretty easy to mount. If you look at that, we're gonna put that into the side. We plug it into the solar panel. Only 1 screw. By the way, the batteries that runs here, they are 1850s, and they are in 1500 milliamp battery. You don't need to change. You don't need to worry about that at all. Now for the charging, you just plug here the solar panel right there, and we can pick the solar panel here. Now remember, like any device that works in solar, it does require at least 6 to 8 hours. I would say the recommend is 8 hours of sun. So make sure you set this on the roof of a section where you get a nice 8 hours of sun, and you have about 10 feet worth of cord, so you can set up this nice. And those comes with the screw as well too, to the whole mountain right there. So let's test the light. All right, so I'm gonna put it in a test mode, and we can see how bright this thing is. So let me go, and by the way, to turn the light on, let me change that and I'll show you this way. So we have here auto, right in the middle is off, and then the next one is on. So when it's on, you just force it to stay on all the time. Most likely you're gonna set up there to auto, right, and automatically it will turn it off. Remember also, this is dusk to dawn, so during the day it will not come on. All right, it's during the night only. All right, so I'm gonna put it on and change cameras, and we can see how bright this thing is. Okay, super bright light, right? Pretty powerful. And then I think it all runs on solar. Let me turn it off. All right, so let's turn it off right in the middle, and that's it. So all right, if you're looking for the motion sensor light, right, to light up the garage, the front door, right, that's pretty simple to set up. And the nice thing, it doesn't require any external power. The whole thing runs on solar power. All right, and with this we complete the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.